Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 8 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable night light or a comfort mode. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the display and brightness. As you can see, actually on the third position we've got eye comfort, and obviously you can turn it on from this level just by tapping on the switcher here. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish, a little bit amber, and it is obviously to filter the blue light, so it will be much easier for you to look at the screen in the dim light. But you can also customize this mode. So let's tap on eye comfort, and as you can see here we've got plenty of options actually to customize. First of all, we can adjust the color temperature. So by going to the left with this switcher you can make it much cooler. So right now we've got the coolest option, but after going to the right you can make it much warmer, and it is almost orange. What's more, you've got the display effect. We've got the color which is right now applied, so it means that it will protect your eyes whilst retaining the original colors. And we've got the black and white, so the screen will be only in black and white and gray colors. So let me check, and this is what I just said. But let me leave the color, and let's focus at the very top of these options. So here we've got also the option to schedule that feature, because we can set it from sunset to sunrise, or we can schedule this time. So after choosing this option, your device will automatically turn it on when it will be the sunset, and it will turn it off whilst sunrise. But after scheduling this time, we can freely choose the start time and end time. So let me pick, for example, the start time about maybe 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock. And after tapping on end, we can choose, let me pick, for example, 1 o'clock. And as you can see, the screen automatically turned into the yellowish color. It is because we are between the start time and end time. So actually this is how it works. But let me turn it off. And actually here we've got the whole customization of this mode, and obviously we can have much faster access to this feature. All you have to do is simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the icon eye comfort mode, which is right here. So obviously it is turned on right now. We can turn it off just by tapping on it, and as you can see, the screen turns back to its normal state automatically and immediately. Obviously you can turn it on the same way. So actually that's all. This is how to use, how to customize, and how to turn on and off the eye comfort mode in your Realme 8 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.